Hello everyone, my name is Sarah and I live in the United States now. In this video, you will learn English by listening to my daily conversations. I will talk in different places like cafe, taxi, airport, and restaurant. Please listen carefully and try to understand how people speak in real life. Do not worry if you do not understand everything. Just keep listening daily. Good morning. I would like to order a cup of hot cappuccino today.
Good morning. Sure, what size would you like for your cappuccino today?
I would prefer a medium size because it is perfect for my morning.
Would you like something to eat with your coffee? Maybe something fresh today?
Yes, I would like a chocolate croissant because it looks very fresh.
All right, your total is $6.50 for your order.
Here is the money. Thank you for your excellent and quick service.
Thank you. Please wait a few minutes. Your order will be ready soon. Would you like to stay here or take your coffee with you outside?
I will stay here because I want to enjoy a peaceful morning time.
You can sit near the window because it is quiet and comfortable there.
That sounds nice. I like sitting near the window and watching people outside.
Your order is ready now, and please come and collect it from the counter.
Thank you. It smells very rich and looks perfect for my morning.
Enjoy your coffee and food. Please let me know if you need anything else.
Sure, I will tell you if I need something more later today.
Hello, welcome. Please tell me your destination so I can start driving now.
Hello, I am going to downtown because I have an important meeting there.
It may take around 20 minutes, depending on traffic conditions today.
That is fine. I hope the traffic is not too heavy this morning.
Are you visiting here or do you live in this city permanently now?
I recently moved here and I am still learning about this new city.
That is great. This city offers many opportunities for work and study.
Yes, I feel this place gives me better chances to improve my life.
What kind of work do you do in your office every day, normally?
I help people with online tasks and manage simple projects for my company.
That sounds interesting. Do you enjoy working with your team members daily?
Yes, my coworkers are very friendly and they always support me at work.
We are almost there. Please confirm if this is the correct location.
Yes, this is correct. Thank you for your safe and comfortable ride.
You are welcome. I hope you have a great day and a successful meeting.
Thank you. Have a good day and drive safely to your next passenger. Good afternoon. May I see your passport and your boarding pass, please?
Good afternoon. Here is my passport and my boarding pass for today.
Thank you. What is your final destination and how long will you stay?
My destination is New York, and I will stay there for 1 week.
Do you have any luggage that you would like to check in today?
Yes, I have 1 suitcase, and I will carry 1 small bag myself.
Please place your suitcase on the scale so we can measure the weight.
Okay, I have placed it there. Please let me know if everything is fine.
Everything looks good. Now, please proceed to the security check area.
Thank you. Can you tell me where the security check area is located?
Go straight and then turn left. You will see the security line there.
Thank you for your help. I will go there and follow the instructions.
Hello, welcome. Are you ready to order, or would you like more time?
Hello. I am ready because I have already decided what I want to eat.
I will order something light because I do not want a heavy meal today.
I would like a cheeseburger with fries because I am very hungry now.
What would you like to drink with your meal this afternoon?
I would like a cold lemonade because the weather feels very warm today.
I will bring your food soon. Please wait and enjoy your time here.
Thank you. This place has a very nice atmosphere and friendly people.
Yes, I really like this restaurant because the food is always delicious.
I agree with you. The service here is also very fast and professional.
Hello, welcome to our hotel. How may I help you with your stay today? Hello, I have a reservation under the name Sarah for 2 nights here. Sure, let me check your booking details and confirm your reservation quickly. Thank you. I booked the room online yesterday using your official website. Yes, I found your reservation. You booked a single room with breakfast included. That is correct. I would like to check in now if the room is ready. Your room is ready. May I please see your identification for verification purposes? Yes, here is my passport. Please let me know if you need anything else. Thank you. I will now give you your room key and important information. Thank you. Could you please tell me what time breakfast is served daily? Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 in the morning at the main restaurant. That sounds perfect. I will make sure to come early for breakfast tomorrow. Your room number is 305, and the elevator is on your right side. Thank you very much. I appreciate your help and clear instructions today. Enjoy your stay here. Please contact us anytime if you need assistance. Sure, I will contact you if I need anything during my stay here.
Good morning, Sarah. I hope you are ready for the meeting this morning.
Good morning. Yes, I have prepared all the documents for the meeting today.
That is great. We will discuss the new project with the team members today.
I understand. I will explain my ideas clearly during the meeting session. Hello, Sarah. Did you complete the report that we discussed yesterday afternoon? Yes, I completed the report, and I also added some important information. That is helpful. Your work always makes our tasks easier and more organized. Thank you. I always try to finish my work carefully and on time.
Let us start the meeting now, and please share your ideas with everyone here.
Sure, I believe this project can help us grow our business very quickly. I agree with you. Your plan sounds simple, but very effective for our company.
That is a good point. We will consider your suggestion and move forward.
Thank you. I am happy to contribute to the success of our team. Thank you for watching this video and listening to my daily conversations carefully. I hope this video helps you understand real English used in daily life situations. Please practice these conversations again and again to improve your listening skills. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep improving your English daily.